أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let us study the next surah with tajweed rules. This is Suratul Humaza, and this surah carries 133 letters, 9 ayah, and 33 words. Please do open this surah, Suratul Humaza, and follow me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سورة الهمزة. ويل لكل همزة لمزة. ويل لكل همزة لمزة. همزة لمزة. الذي جمع مالا وعدده. جمع مالا وعدده. مالا وعدده. يحسب أن ماله أخلده. أن ماله أخلده. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. حطمة. 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 كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. حطمة. وما أدراك ما الحطمة. وما أدراك ما الحطمة. حطمة. The last round tha would be turned into ha sound. حطمة. Listen me carefully. حطمة. نار الله الموقدة. نار الله نار الله موقدة. قدة. كذا قدة. قدة. التي تطلع. 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 First, stop your tip of the tongue between the upper and lower snizen. Immediately take it back and hit it upper side, inside of the snizen. التي تطلع على الأفئدة على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة عمد ممددة. See the tajweed principles and rules from this surah. In the beginning there is wailul likulli. If you could see on the screen, there is color on the lam. It hints us there is rule. Which rules we are going to apply here? Idgham without ghunna, because wailun, actually there is noon tanween, wailun, but immediately there is one of the jar malun letter, lam. So what we will do, we will merge the lam sound to the next lam sound, wailulli, and definitely there is no ghunna, because lam sound not let voice go to the nasal. Okay, wailulli kulli humazatil lumaza. Again the same thing, the same color on lam, because humazatin, noon tanween is coming, but very next, what is this? Lam. So we'll do merger without ghunna, idgham without ghunna. Wailul likulli humazatil lumaza. الذي جمع مالا وعدده الذي. So there must not be z, not be shiddat, but الذي, this is zal, not zal. الذي جمع مالا وعدده. What we are doing on law, because there is tanween on the lam, malan, but what we are doing, because the next is waw, which is among jar manun letter, so we'll merge it. Law. Okay, idgham bil ghunna. Ma law wa'addada da. Yahsabu anna nun mushaddad, mim mushaddad, nun mushaddad, must ghunna. Anna ma lahu akhlada. We are stretching the voice of who, ma lahu. Why? There is ulta pesh on that, and there is madda, and they have written here a tiny vow, you can see here. Okay, it indicates that there is mad. Who, so ha ulta pesh who is equal to vow pesh. Okay, so ma lahu akhlada. So this is mad. Which type of mad? Madde muttasil or madde munfasil? Madde munfasil, disjointed mad, because the next a Madda letter is in the next word. Okay, mad is in the last word of the malahu, but the next letter carries in the beginning a sound. So kya hoga? This would be called as disjointed mad, madde muttasil, madde munfasil. Malahu akhlada. So if you could see akhladahu, there is also vaw is written. Who and back in ayat 2 wa'addadahu were also written, but we have done waqf there. That's why we did not take notice of that. Otherwise, whenever there is mad with pesh, so it is equal to harfe madda, waw madda, alif madda or ya madda. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. Layumbazanna, what are we doing? Layumbazanna iqlab, because noon sakin, and right after noon sakin ba. When ba comes after noon sakin or noon tanween, so we'll do iqlab, changing. The noon voice would replaced into meme. That is why a small meme also written here, layumbazanna. Zanna ghunna, because noon mushaddad. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْحُطَمَةُ. مَا أَدْرَاكَ, which type of mad? Madde munfasil. Ma is separate, ending with the mad, and the very next is a, harfe madda. So madde munfasil. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ. Which type of qalqala we are doing? Weak qalqala, because dal carries sakoon. أَدْرَاكَ ما الحطمة. Hutama, mal hutama, lam is simulated in the al hutama, and we are reading ha after lam. So ha is among shamsi or qamari, because lam, we are reading the lam. Ha is qamri letter, not shamsi. This is among moon letter. If the lam voice was not pronunciated, then the next letter would have been from shamsi letter, but now this is qamri letter. Narullahil muqadah. Narullah, Lam-e Jalala. What is the rule of Lam-e Jalala? Always heavy, but if the letter before it carries kasra, then light, otherwise full and heavy. Narullahil muqadah. In all these ayah, from fil hutama, mal hutama, narullahil muqadah, there are ta, round ta. You can see round ta. What is the rule of round ta? When do waqf, it would turn into voice of ha. Okay? Narullahil muqadah. Again, muqada, meme is among qamri letter. Qamri letter. التي تطلع على الأفئدة. تطلع على الأفئدة. أفئدة, again Hamza or Alif is among Shamsi or Qamri. Qamri letter. إنها. Nun mushaddad must gunna. عليهم مؤصدة. عليهم مؤصدة. Him muqsada. Which rule of meme we are going to apply here? Idgham, because meme sakin, there is next also meme. So the both meme would be merged. It would be equal to meme mushaddad. Because always when there is shad on any letter, so double voice comes from the same letter. So it would be equal to shad. And, shad is also written on the next meme. Alayhim sada. We discussed 3 rules of meme sakin. Meme sakin, next meme, merger, idgham. في عمد ممددة دم ممددة إدغام مع الغنة din nun tanween. The next is meme among Yarmanun letter, so merge with ghunna. عمد ممددة. صدق الله العظيم.